Hi Elena. You and Frank have been visiting so many different cities over the different continents of this world in the past years, Pune being the present one, surely not the last one. I would like our viewers to know your experience on the service and the quality that Utkar's wood culture have provided, especially you having so much various experiences with the fur across the world.
Okay. Well, I have to say that this is even better than we expected, to be honest with you. We found you in particular extremely responsive and thinking with us. And actually what really helped was when we came to your office and sat down with Jayada and you and talked about how we want to use the dressing room, what we want, the walk-in closet, what we wanted in it, how we live, and you really listened to what we were saying. So it actually is exactly what we wanted, and it fits exactly to our purposes. And as I was saying to you earlier, the thing that I will love the most is this is like an IKEA flat pack, but much better, because we can flat pack it and take it with us to the next location and fit it into another room. So this is really very useful. We love the materials, and the service of the guys who came was excellent. They were responsive, they were listening, and we were amazed at how quickly they actually built it and put it up there.
Thank you, Elena. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you.
So.